So today we're doing an unboxing of a pair of Scarosso shoes or sneakers that I recently ordered. Something different for me, a little more casual. And we'll open the box and see what's inside. So as you can see, Scarosso made in Italy. It is a German company, but they manufacture their shoes in Italy and ships from Italy as well. This one took about 10 days to get here. Not bad during the pandemic. Stopped for a bit in an airport in Italy or a shipping center, and then it started moving again a little bit after that. So let's see what we have inside. So as I suggested earlier, these are casual. They're actually navy suede sneakers or trainers. I was looking for something to wear with white trousers and a navy safari jacket in the summer. So I figured to go with navy suede sneakers, looked them up online, Google search. These stood out to me because they were different than your regular navy sneakers, and you'll see why in a second. I've also heard of Scarosso from a review of them in the Gentleman's Gazette, where I used to write articles, so I thought I'd give them a try. Nice box. Gets your attention. Don't really care that much about packaging, but usually if you have good packaging, they're evidence of good quality materials of the product itself. The package is magnetically attached to a magnetic box. A couple of magnets in here keeping it closed. Again, company name and made in Italy. Looks like there's a description of the company here and their values, their mission statement, emphasizing the timelessness of the product, their handcrafted aspect, coming from a family-owned factory in Italy, talking about the traditional techniques and an unwavering style that never wavers. So timeless style, something we always aim for when doing classic menswear. And then they even emphasize the packaging here, which is what we're looking at now. So let's see what we have further. We have a shoe bag or a dust bag. Always good to have that, keep the dust off of shoes, especially if they're suede. Don't want to be brushing those all the time. Decent weight. It's like some type of synthetic material. They are white, so they'll get dirty, but the bag will get dirty. But it does have the drawstring, and better the bag gets dirty than the actual sneakers. So here I have the sneakers themselves, and you'll see in a second, as I said, a bit different than your usual navy suede sneakers. So far, so good. And there you go. So the suede on these looks good. Nice color, not offensive at all, not too electric. It's got a good weight to it. The soles are thick. I'm not really a huge fan of the white sole look, but if you go with a sartorial sneaker or trainer, that's pretty much what you'll find. I'd say 90% of all shoes, all sneakers that are meant to be worn in a non-athletic sense have these white soles. So I'll have to live with it, but I will be wearing white trousers, so I think that'll mitigate the appearance of the contrast. Buckles are sort of a brushed silver, not too shiny. Don't want to have really shiny, ostentatious buckles. And blue will go nicely with, I think, standard navy safari jacket. It's an important consideration, I think, when you buy navy suede shoes. It's already kind of ostentatious if you're going with navy, but you don't want it to be too to pop out too much. You want it to kind of blend with other navy suede you're wearing or the suedes, and I think this will work well. It's got a cap toe on it, you can see there from the line, and the double monk, something I wear in regular shoes, so something I would like to try with a trainer or sneaker. The bottom has what appears to be a good non-skid sole, and like I said, good weight to it. So far so good. I'm impressed with what I'm seeing here. So you'll see it in a full outfit in another video coming up. But there's the unboxing, and impressed so far. Let's check it out further. Thanks for watching.